Hi, it's Josh from Alternative Brewing, and we're taking a look at the Wacaco Nanopresso. It's a lightweight, portable and convenient handheld espresso machine. This is everything out of the box, and I've got it disassembled. We have the Nanopresso main body. This has an integrated press pump, and attached to this, to either side, is a water tank and the filter nozzle, which also fits the filter basket. It even comes with its own serving cup for brewing straight into. Now included also is a cleaning brush and a dosing cup, which will also second as a tamper for tamping down. And this all conveniently packs together in one piece for easy storage. The water tank will hold 80 mils of hot water, and the filter basket will let you dose to around 8 or 9 grams of coffee. And the fact it only weighs 336 grams makes it the ideal espresso brewer to throw into your bag for traveling, whether you're going away camping, hiking, you're on your bike, or even for that quick espresso at home. It's made from solid BPA-free, non-toxic plastic, and I like the fact it feels really durable. Brewing with the Nanopresso is pretty straightforward, even for those new to espresso brewing. To get started, boil your water and first run some hot water through the Nanopresso to get all those components nice and warmed up so your espressos don't brew too cold. Measure out your coffee using the dosing cup, which gives you about 8 grams, and grind that to a medium espresso grind, as fine as sand, I would say. Tamp that into your filter basket and flip that on top of the metal filter nozzle. Then tighten all this to the body of the Nanopresso. Next, we're going to fill up the water tank with boiling water. I'm stopping at about 2 centimeters from the top here, and that's about 55 milliliters. But this will give me a full 40 ml shot by the end. Screw the Nanopresso down on top of the water tank and hold it over your cup upright. Now release the piston and begin pumping at about 1 pump a second. I've discovered holding the pump down for a moment longer gets steady and more even flows of espressos, but keep pumping until you've brewed with all your water. It shouldn't take more than 30 or 40 seconds for a full extraction, and you don't want your espressos pouring out too fast. If it does, then you might just need to adjust your grind finer for next time. You may also notice if you're finding the piston is impossible to press, then you might have to coarsen up your grind just a little. But for best results, I would avoid using pre-ground store-bought coffee when brewing with the Nanopresso in favor of locally roasted, freshly ground beans. You can see it brews excellent crema for a portable espresso machine of its size, and I'm fairly confident it's the most portable espresso machine available right now. So you can choose to drink your espressos straight, or add some hot water for a long black. And if you wanted to make a latte, then I definitely recommend checking out the Bellman Stovetop Steamer. We've got a video on the Bellman already, I'll throw a link below. And having the Nanopresso with the Bellman steamer, you'll be set. With cleaning the Nanopresso, it should be done after every use. And you want to just tap out that portafilter of used coffee, undo the whole unit again, and rinse it under some warm water. The Nanopresso is not dishwasher safe, but it's relatively easy to keep clean, and ensuring everything is dry before placing it back together, and it'll keep you brewing for years. There are some popular accessories with the Nanopresso. These can be found on our website, and I'll throw a link below for these. My favorite is the Barista Kit. This lets you brew double shots of espresso back to back. The kit includes 2 larger 16-gram portafilter baskets, and it also increases the size of the water tank to 140 mils. You have the NS adapter, and this lets you brew with the capsules as well. So if you're anyone who already brews with capsules or doesn't want to deal with ground coffee whilst traveling, then the NS adapter is that perfect attachment. And then we have the Nano Vessel. This is a vacuum sealed travel thermos. This is going to attach to the bottom of your Nanopresso and keep your water hotter for longer. So you can brew without having to take a kettle. It'll also brew tea, but you can use it as a regular thermos too. There is also a great medium and large hard case available to fit all these extras, but I'll be doing videos on these accessories shortly, so stay tuned for that one. So the original black Nanopresso comes in its own hard case, but there are also 3 funky colors you can choose, and these all come in their own soft travel bag. The strength and flavor of the shots from the Nanopresso are impressive for only using 8 grams of coffee. There is some texture lacking to the espressos, but I made 3 shots in under 10 minutes this morning, and it was really easy to dial in, and I was buzzed from the shots. If you have any questions on the Nanopresso, then throw a comment below. Hit like if you've enjoyed watching this video, and subscribe to stay tuned. We're bringing out new videos each week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.